is the first, well, second voyage with the Waverner. All with the new parts. It's all premium gas now, so that's one new thing. But I got a couple new GoPro mounts. We got one right there, and then one all the way up there. So we're gonna get some footage from those today and see how that turns out. Also new, first time filming with the Hero 7 Black, so I'm excited. This thing sounds amazing now, by the way. Like, sounds so good now, and the torque is unreal. But yeah, so we're gonna get some footage with the new mounts and cruise downtown, have some fun. So now we're just out of downtown. Did a quick little cruise down here. So now we're gonna use the front mount right there. Gonna get some footage cruising through here.